Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video we're gonna be building this vanity together. Let me show you guys a little sneak peek. Yes, a very cute, and I did that. You can do it too. It's very easy, very simple. The type of vanity that I'm building is very luxe style. I'm a very glamorous type of girl. You can probably tell by the robe too, like I love glam things. So this vanity is definitely gonna have more of a glamorous vibe to it. Impressions Vanity, who no shade, I love their vanities, but they're so expensive. You will save so much more money building your own, and it's super easy and it's a good workout. You may lose a few pounds or inches, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna hold you. I was sweating building this. Yeah, a lot of benefits to building your own vanity. So if you guys wanna know how to build your very own vanity that's super affordable, that's super easy to do, then just keep on watching. I had to go on a Lowe's run to get a new tabletop for my vanity. I will link the exact one that I have purchased down below. I've been waiting to build these drawers for months, and I finally had time to build them. I had purchased this from the TikTok shop, but I had found out that they also sell these on Amazon, so I'll just try to link both of them down below. Now when you build this, please make sure to follow the directions because you do not want to mess up. Because once you mess up, it'll be kind of hard for you to go back. It's not impossible, but you don't want to rush yourself doing this. You really want to take the time out of your day or just make a day to do this. And now I'm just taking everything out of the box and making sure that everything is organized so it will be easier for me to put this together. This is what I unboxed. At first I was intimidated, but this looks like it's gonna be pretty easy to build. It does come with its own screwdriver just in case if you don't have a drill, but I would advise you to use a drill to do this. This is what I have so far, and I did mess up right here, so it's a little bit loose, but everything else is pretty fine. But I haven't started over here yet. Yeah, I'm already breaking a sweat. And once I have all of these screwed in, I go in with this tool. I love it, so pretty and pink. And I make sure that everything's tight. Couldn't do it with the top one because, yeah, I messed up the bolt. So after I was done with that, the next step was for me to put the outside layer together. In some of the clips you've seen me use this screwdriver, but after some time I realized that I really needed to use the electric screwdriver instead. It'll be way faster, and no wonder why it felt like I was taking forever to build this. You guys know I am a girly girl, so I had to get this in pink. Since I got this in pink, I'm probably gonna get most of my other tools in pink too, just to match. But if you are new to building stuff, then I would recommend going in with the screwdriver first, then going in with the electric screwdriver. Okay, I have a little update. This is definitely I'm just the girl friendly because I had messed up so many times with these screws. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna only put it here and here. It's still tight, it's not loose, and yeah, this is how it's looking so far. If it'll focus. Oh my gosh, it's getting worse. What the heck? Yeah, this is how it's looking so far. You see what it's doing right there? That's how I kept messing up with these nails. The quality of them isn't the best, but I still made it work. I'm done with this part. Now it's time for me to build the drawers. I don't remember how long this part took me, but I know it took me at least maybe an hour and 15 minutes. Remember, we have to build 7 of these. In this part, I was testing out how the drawers were rolling. The drawers came with these stickers, and I didn't realize until the last minute these are used to cover the nail holes. Now this is my favorite part of the video because I was so excited to put these diamond knobs on. I needed to make sure that I wasn't gonna mess up, so I did practice on my other vanity and it came out so perfect. In these few clips, it looks like I'm measuring precisely and doing all of that, but let's be honest, I'm just eyeballing this. I got a pack of the diamond knobs from Amazon. Came with a pack of 10. Good thing I will have extras since I only have 7 drawers. Yeah, these are so pretty. I had to get them with the silver on it instead of gold because it matches more with my vanity. All I'm gonna do is screw these on here. I've seen people just hot glue it or gorilla glue it, but I don't think that's a good idea. I'm gonna take the time out and just screw all of them in. This drill that I had got from Amazon, it came with all of the nail bits that I needed. It was only under $20 as well, so this was worth it. Like, I'm so glad that I bought this electric screwdriver, but right now I'm just pre-making the hole so it'll be easier for me to screw the nail in. I had to make it more wider, so that's why you guys see me swirling this around. These diamond knobs came with its own nails and it comes with 3 different sizes. For these drawers, all I needed was the smallest size. As you can see, I was pre-screwing the nail in, so it'll just be easier for me to drill the nail behind this. Last part for this Impressions vanity inspired vanity is to put some legs on this vanity. I had got 2 IKEA legs and each of them was about $20 and I did get them around 2020, so hopefully they're still that price. It was super easy for me to put these legs underneath the tabletop. I'm just doing the exact same steps as I did with the knobs. Been a few days and these are how my vanity drawers look. I can't believe they came out looking this good. The knobs are screwed in perfectly. I have no issues with them. I really did this. I will give a full in-depth vanity tour in my makeup organization and decluttering video. Stay tuned for that because I'm going to show you guys everything that I have here, here, and over here. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek right here. I do have the screw in here, screwed in tightly. I have no issues with this moving. This is how it looks once it opens. It opens this much. It was actually really easy to screw these in. All I had to do was be more careful because with these type of screws, they're not that sturdy. So make sure when you screw it in that you're pushing it in at the same time. And let's say something falls in the back, you can easily lift this up and pull this out. It's secure. It's not secure to the point where if something does fall in the back, you're not able to get it. And if you do want to reorganize everything or like have a section in a different area, just pull the drawers out and just switch them. I can't believe I built this all by myself. Literally no help. I did add these Velcro 𝐿𝐶 to attach onto the table so it doesn't be slipping and sliding around. I added them here, here, and over there in the back, but you can't tell because I mainly use these two. These are the Velcro strips that I use, and I'll have these linked down below because I did get these from Amazon. Next I have the feet, and I decided to attach these on to give this more height. I like my vanity table slash desk to be pretty tall. Sometimes I like standing up while I'm working. For the legs, I had got these two legs from IKEA. I did order them 5 years ago for my other vanity. These still hold up pretty well, and these are adjustable legs. If you have a short vanity or a short desk, you can make them shorter. If you have a long vanity or desk, you can make them longer. I did have to drill them in, but it was super easy to do anyway. I remember having to get different bolts with this because the other bolts that it came with, they were too long. So I'll link these ones down below too. For the table, I did get this from Lowe's. This table was only $15. The legs were probably around $20 each, and this was around $80 or $100. I will be linking this mirror too for you guys. I did get it from Amazon. It was only under $80 as well. So this being around $80, this being around $80 or $60, all of this is only going to cost you like at least under $200 or $180 instead of having to pay $1,000 for a vanity, or even $500, $800, whatever. You don't have to. You can just simply build this on your own. Yeah, everything that I have mentioned, that I have built, that I have shown you guys, everything will be linked down below, so do not forget to check out the description box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony. If you guys want to see my full in-depth vanity tour with me organizing it and decluttering it, cleaning it, like you guys get to see everything in that video, especially the before. Like, I had so many gems since high school. You guys are gonna feel the nostalgic vibes in that video. If you want to see how I built my last vanity, I did film that in 2021. It was 2021. It's actually still a really good in-depth video, so I'll link that video down below too. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.